166% increase in the last 3 months, and it is only worth 12 pence or 15 cents per share. Now, Greatland Gold is a stock that you need to get in your portfolio. Only 12 pence per share, and about 3 months ago it was worth about 3 pence 0.85. Now, that massive increase shows its great potential. And here it starts out with the Greatland Gold share price is up 629% in the last 6 months. That is 629% in the last 6 months. This is not something you can miss out on. Now, I was tipped to buy into this company a few months ago. I chose not to do that because I didn't see potential in such a low price stock. However, the regrets are kicking in now. I have purchased a few thousand shares since in the past few days because I can see the potential and I know it's going to skyrocket. Now, for a starter, before we even talk about the gold prospects, the Greatland Gold share price could continue to rise on momentum and news buzz alone. Here over at Yahoo Finance, we're looking at how is Greatland Gold's cash burn changing over time. Now, the key thing to note here is Greatland Gold didn't record any revenue over the last year, indicating that it's still an early stage company, still developing its business. Now, this is crucial because we may have found a company that is just starting that could skyrocket in the upcoming months and years, and that is something that you don't find on a daily basis. Now, obviously, with upcoming companies and ones that have just started new projects, for example Greatland's Gold project in Australia, there's clearly going to be some risk behind this investment, and there's going to be a lot of doubt thrown around from big investors saying that maybe it's not a great stock to invest in because they haven't broke even yet. However, many analysts are predicting they're going to break even within the next year or at least the next few years. Now, this is huge because as soon as they break even, profits will soar. And if we see the share price soar already before the profits are even starting to be made, then we can predict that the share will skyrocket, maybe even go above £1 per share. So you can't miss out on this opportunity, and you have to get this now. Don't miss out on the opportunity. Get this stock today. But as I said, there's risk behind this. There's never any guarantee, so I'm not responsible for any money lost. Do it all at your own risk. Do your research, but most importantly, make money.